Hey guys, this is Subroto from DIY Tech, and in this video, as you can see, we are going to unbox the Mi Band HRX Edition. I bought this from Amazon for 1300 rupees. I know it's a bit old and the Mi Band 3 is on its way, but still I thought that I should make a review before buying the Mi Band 3. So this is the main unit, as you can see. So let's open up the box to see the further things. So this is the wristband that you get, a classic black one. So we have to pull this little thing over here, and we can see that there is a Mi logo on the bottom of the main unit, and this unit actually is the brain of the Mi Band 2, and this is the charger, as you can see. So this band can measure your sleep time, your number of steps, number of calories burned, number of the total number of kilometers walked. This is the main unit, as you can see. It has two metal connectors in the bottom side of this thing. So let's attach the main unit with the wristband. So this is how you attach the main unit with the wristband. So as you can see, the battery is very less. I actually charged this because there was no charge left when I got the package. So you can see the time, the steps. So let's see how can we pair it up. So first of all, we need the Mi Fit app. So we will go to Google Play Store to download the Mi Fit app. So as you can see, we have to download this one. It is installed now. So what you have to do is now sign in. If you have an account, then sign in. I don't have, I guess. So I will create an account with my Gmail. So I need to create an account. Okay, so I will now set the necessary things. I'm just fast forwarding this part. So basically you have to put your date of birth and your age, your height, and your weight. So to pair it up, we will select the band option, and it will ask for the permission to turn on Bluetooth. So we will allow that. So it will now search the Mi Band, and one pop-up will come on the Mi Band. So here it is. So we have to tap on the Mi Band, the button given, which is a touch button. You have to touch on that to see the options. So it's paired successfully. Charge your band. So it says charge your band because we have very little charge left. It's only 6%. So some things you can see: unlock screen, incoming call, alarm. These are some options in the app which we can get notified on our band. Thanks for watching this one. See you in the next one. Stay tuned for more such videos, and one in-depth review is coming, so stay tuned.